In this video we're giving an honest review of HughesNet Internet to help you decide if it's the right provider for you. HughesNet is a satellite-based internet service available across the US, making it one of the few options for people living in rural or remote areas where cable or fiber isn't accessible. The company advertises speeds up to around 100 megabits per second on newer plans and promotes unlimited data, though this comes with limits on high-speed usage. Once you exceed your priority data cap, speeds slow down significantly. While HughesNet's availability is its biggest advantage, there are several trade-offs to consider. Because the service relies on satellites, latency is noticeably high, which makes gaming, video calls, and live streaming frustrating. Many users also report inconsistent speeds, dropped connections, and poor customer support. The contracts can be restrictive, with high cancellation and equipment return fees if you end service early. Overall, HughesNet can be a decent option only if you live in an area with no other reliable internet choices. But if cable, fiber, or 5G home internet is available where you live, those options typically deliver faster, more stable, and better value connections. If you found this review helpful and want more honest tech and internet insights, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.